In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the shock mount kit on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Pull down the side carpet. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the top nut for the shock. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bottom bolt for the shock. When you pull this bolt out, the shock is going to want to fall down. Pull the shock out of the vehicle. Install the shock mount top. Install the shock into the car. Line it up in the top. Make sure it goes through the top hole. Once it's lined up, line up the hole on the bottom and install your bolt. Get the bolt started by hand and then snug it down. Torque the lower shock bolt to 76 foot-pounds. Remove the top shock mount. Install the new one. Install the nut onto the top of the shock. Get the nut started by hand. Snug the bolt down. I'm going to use a 13mm wrench for the nut. I'm going to use an adjustable wrench to hold the strut pole. Torque the top nut to 13 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. We're going to pull back our bottom carpet. Grab our panel, fit it up into place. This back edge is going to fit into the metal housing, just like that. Pull it up and around, lay it flat, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.